Wait, oh!
With our have said,
Good job, Caden.
come here, look, want.
You're close. It's what? So proud of how many sight words you know, though. And I bet you know even more than what we need to know for kindergarten. So that's amazing. Good job. And on number 1, I'm going to read you a sentence that I want you to write, okay? And some of the words, you might have to stretch them out. Just do your best. Remember, good writers start with a capital, and they use spacing, okay? Are you ready? The first word I want you to write is Sam. It's actually a name. Sam. The next word is and. So you should have Sam and I ran. Ready for the next word? Fast.
Caden just finishing up his 1 through 20. He's got to count his 1 through 20. He did so good with his little test today. You read all the words that Miss Romero showed you. Okay, I'll let you do your numbers. Woo! Give me a 5, dude. You were so smart, Caden. You did such a good job with her. Were you nervous about your test? Yeah? But you sounded all the words out perfectly, buddy. Good job. Good morning, guys. Okay, so we are...
Take a break.
Go ahead, take a little break. I got a bagel for you. We're back homeschooling. That spring break did not last long enough. But yeah, they've been in for a couple days now this week. They started back up with homeschooling, and it's been going a lot smoother than the first week and a half that we had it. Pretty much got the routine down and whatnot, and they made some changes to their website to make it a little bit more easier to follow, so that has definitely helped a lot. Drinking my coffee and getting something to eat. Y'all saw them cinnamon bagels is smelling super good, so I'm gonna...
Smell it.
You smell it? I'm gonna go ahead and snack on them cinnamon bagels this morning.
Said to look, me, come, it, from red, blue.
What's up with your grapes, child?
What?
Why are the skin peeled off of your grapes? What is that?
They're naked.
Here, have a little break. Take a break from class real quick. Go ahead, sit down, baby. Looks like Daddy's back. Quick story here. We ordered off of Amazon Japan, and we actually ordered a bed frame. I don't know if many of you guys know or not. We sleep on the floor. We've been doing this for like 3-4 years now. It's literally nothing new, but the past like houses that we've had carpet. This house doesn't have carpet, so sleeping on the floor on tile, cold ass tile, is a struggle. Jesse and I both don't like our floor situation right now. It looks like a hot mess. It looks like squatters live in our bedroom, and it's kind of sketchy. We ordered the bed frame off of Amazon Japan. We're like, you know what, let's just do that just so it looks like we have our bedroom put together, because this is not it. So he went and picked that up. That's all it looks like.
Hello, we are going to the park. My mom, she's not here because she's doing her, oh my gosh, she's doing her homework. And we decided while we're at the park, we're gonna do a Nerf gun fight.
You guys excited for a little Nerf battle?
Yeah.
Sweet.
So I'm gonna have 2 guns.
And I only get 1 gun. That's the rule. Caden's gonna use the Captain America shield. And then for protection, we have the Stormtrooper mask. Who's ready for action?
No rules. No hitting in the face.
Yeah, no shooting at the face, okay?
Try to aim.
At the body or your legs, okay?
Okay.
And have fun.
Should we split up?
Ready? 3, 2, 1, go! Oh, I got you. I'm out of bullets. Oh, close. Oh. Wait, oh!
Maya, are you there?
You guys just can't be running away. You got to battle too. Gotcha. These little kids think I'm playing. Got one for backup. Got one over here at the main one. Load this one up too. That's no fair. You guys are always running away. Come on, face me. Oh, oh, oh. Gotcha. Gotcha on the foot.
Guys, I shot him in the hand, guys. With my gun. Bullet.
Amaya versus Caden. 3, 2, 1, go.
Homework for days. Oh, is this my beer or no?
Yeah, go ahead.
Wow. I'm just kidding, babe. I'm just giving you a hard time. I do want one of those Pacificos though. Our beer sounds good right now. Okay.
You think that's possible?
That is refreshing. Especially with these chips and salsa. Jesse's making ceviche for dinner tonight.
A little shrimp ceviche, some tacos.
All right, so this has been our sleeping situation.
Whoa, chill out.
We have a tatami mat underneath here, and then obviously tile floor, which we don't want to be on it. I don't know, our bright idea was to stick 2 twin mattresses together. We're getting rid of these 2 mattresses and just buying one.
Say it, I was right.
You were right. This setup is on the floor still. We just have something that kind of looks like a bed so it doesn't look like we're homeless. We're just gonna stick the futons that we do have here for now. I'm digging the whole mat, the tatami mat sticking out. It looks more neater. Yay! Here is our current bed situation. This looks way better than what we had. You guys saw what we had going on earlier. Still sleeping on the floor, but it just looks a lot better now. Probably get like a nice like white comforter or something to go with it. My quilt will do for now. Cool thing about this is the headboard. I like that there's plugs on each side and you can like place your phone up here or whatnot, so that's convenient, right? I like it. ceviche is so good. Got tacos. Ooh, dinner hit the spot. It was so good. I actually just jumped out the shower. Super refreshing, much needed. Now we're just hanging out, spending the rest of the night, gonna watch a movie or something. It's gonna end our vlog. We're just gonna hang out for the rest of the night, just relax, and I'm gonna finish up some homework, and then they're going to bed. You say bye to the vlog.
Bye.